Ayun na po ang dalawang mag-best friend.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, smile! Friend of my mall!
Hello guys, marhaba. So this is the Dubai Mall vlog. So yeah, Mama Sid, my mom and Beb already experienced the Dubai Mall experience. I was really happy seeing them enjoying. So by this time, they are just watching the Burj Khalifa show. And as far as we know, this is the largest mall in Dubai, and it is the second largest mall in Dubai.
Mama Sid!
The Dubai Mall fountain shows is every 30 minutes. And if I am not mistaken, it is from 6 p.m. till 11 daily, and you will really enjoy with the colorful and illuminated jetway into the time of a range of melodies. Kaya naman talaga mag-enjoy yung mga family ninyo kapag dinala nyo sila dito. Same like my mom and Mama Sid. Sobrang nag-enjoy sila at this time kasi talagang nakakatuwa po siya. But then, if you're coming here, i-anticipate ninyo yung dami ng tao kasi there will be a time talaga, lalo na kapag oras ng fountain show, na marami talagang tao. So, you have to anticipate for that. So, yes, para makakuha kayo ng magandang spot na rin. And by this time, maganda naman yung spot namin, though talagang marami lang tao. But then, I was really happy kasi talagang nag-enjoy sila. And mababait naman yung mga katabi nila nung time na to. Kaya medyo napasingit sila. So, yes. I love you, Ma. I love you, Mama Sid.
Hi po, so we are currently here at Dubai Mall and ginagala na po namin sila. At natutuwa sila sa mga isda. Tuwa-tuwa po sila. So we are currently here. Mama Sid, Mama, si Beb. So, yan po sila tayo. Yan po sila.
Nakamaze sila.
Ayun na po ang dalawang mag-best friend, magkumare, aliw na aliw. Baka mamaya pag labas nila ng Dubai Mall may kaliskis na sila. Yeah, there's a shark over there. That's a shark. Say hi.
Mama Sid, say hi.
Say hi, Mama Sid. Say hi. Beb, Mama Sid. One, two, three, smile. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1.
Friend of my mall. Bilis ko na. Okay. Pauwi na po kami. Maarte lang ako.
Umaarte siya. Pauwi siya.
Wala po kasi akong taga-picture ako. Yung taga-picture nila. So, pauwi na po kami, guys. We've done here at Dubai Mall. And Mama's behind me and Bunso. And me and Mama sits over there. So, we're gonna go to the parking. And it is currently 12 midnight. And we're just going to downtown, and after this we're gonna go straight to the house. Okay? Dito ka, Beb.